Took it one time in July, scored a 165, and then I was able to score, I got a 172. But the two that I got accepted to were both full rides. So that was awesome. Biggest advice would just be that like it does seem like a lot of time with the meetings and the homework, but it's worth the time. And if you just buckle down and do it, then it's worth it. I like did the free tutoring session with like a couple different places, but I felt like Prep for Success like had the best value. And I had Jacob was my tutor. He was really good. I think that it was a good match. So he got to know me pretty quick and he was able to just like be really straightforward with me, which I appreciated. And I think he was really good at like tailoring it to what I felt like I wasn't getting and like creating homework that fit what I needed. And so I did enjoy working with him. It was a lot of time because it was like for 2 hours. I think we were at twice a week. And that was good because that's like, because I only had a couple months. So it was helpful that they were able to like, he was able to commit to that much time to like really get me ready for that one. Yeah, I just think it worked. It worked really well for me to be able to do it that way.